There's a mass shortage in the HVAC industry right now. The median age of HVAC technicians in the field right now is 62, and we have no new technicians coming in. So companies are looking left and right and scrambling to get technicians out there. My name is John Reynolds, and I'm the refrigeration and air conditioning instructor and HVAC program coordinator here at Delhi. I think one of the things that makes Delhi's HVAC program unique would be the amount of hands-on experience the students get. Whether it's in plumbing and heating or it's in refrigeration and air conditioning, they get 12 hours of lab each week. They do installations of commercial equipment, residential equipment.
The students right here are going to rebuild the cooler over here, so it's going to be a lot of fun.
Like, if you are a very hands-on person, then this is, the place to be because you're learning as you're working.
Move these best you can to protect the side of the compressor.
Once we get the pump downs done, I'll send you back over to do installs. All right, let's do it. Meet me over there.
Hands-on experience is by far one of the most important things that HVAC contractors are looking for. We have 100% job placement here from this program.
Most employers are looking for skilled technicians that know how to read a wiring schematic, how to read a piping diagram, how to understand how to use your multimeter, also know how to use your refrigerant gauges. If you can do those 4 things, most contractors will hire you on the spot.
Now they're doing a clean and service. This would be if they went in on a service call.
The professor is, it's like, you got to figure this out. You have to learn this because once you're on the job site, there's not going to be a person telling you what to do all the time.
There could be a million things wrong with the unit, as we've learned. All of our instructors here, they try to prepare us for anything that could be wrong with it. We go through how we're going to diagnose the system. They're always trying to teach us every single way to troubleshoot it.
Thanks to some industry partnerships that we've made with various HVAC companies, we've been able to get industry-leading equipment that's not even on the market yet. Just the most recent one would be our partnership with Midea. They donated a bunch of equipment here, a whole lab's worth of equipment. The reason they donated is New York State in particular is going through a refrigerant change from HFC refrigerants to A2L refrigerants. These newer refrigerants are slightly flammable, slightly explosive, so they're way different than what we're used to seeing. New York is about 5 years ahead of the federal government as far as that change out. So that way, when our students graduate here in May, they're going to know exactly what they're up against out there, and they'll be trained to work with this it's slightly more dangerous refrigerant.
Coming into Delhi, I saw that they were, one of the most highly regarded trade programs, and if you have no idea what you're doing, or like me, I really didn't know anything about it. Some people have the background, but even if you don't, that's not a reason to be scared away. I think the way it's structured and everything is it's the perfect setup for a first-time student. Makes it a great option for anyone looking to get into this field.